Hi everyone, it's Jen with Jen Retro Finds and more. And today is Avid Day 10. Really, it's Avid Day 9, but I'm recording some videos in advance for you guys in hopes that I can have everything ready before our anniversary trip so that you guys will have videos for that. So I'm wearing the same outfit. I apologize, but this is the way it's going to be. He does not like standing up. Maybe I should put something behind him. And I think I'll take this off for this video because it's starting to drive me a little crazy. All right, let's see what I got on my tea calendar. Fireberry, cranberry, hibiscus, rooibos tea, caffeine free. That sounds good. And it says, this fiery red blend is a little sweet, a little tart, and a lot delicious. Enjoy this refreshingly bright immune system booster, hot or over ice. Also, I'm going to be showing you guys my Tamagotchi from this year. Yeah, I apologize if I've already showed you this, but I have photos and videos on my phone alongside him because I had started recording him and then never finished. So I'm guessing I didn't show you that footage. So if I've showed you the Tamagotchi itself, I apologize. But my son got one and he wanted me to get one so we could connect. That's what mine looks like. When we bought ours, there was, I think, 3 total colors, but as I looked online, there's actually more, but they're just not in the store that I've seen. Anyway, you can connect with each other right here. I haven't actually gotten to do that yet. My son has been doing it, but I didn't think I would like this because it's like updated. It's not original like I'm used to, but I actually really like it. I like that it has a light, because the older I get, the harder it is to see. Also, I can't ever figure out how to turn it on. Like, I push these buttons and all that, and it eventually turns on. But it's lit up, so it's easy to see no matter what time of day it is. And then there's like 3 different areas. This is the earth. And so it looks like that. And then if you want to scroll in, you twist it. And this is the next area. It's so adorable, and he's playing in the fish tank, or she, I can't remember what I have. But there's like, I don't know what Fields is, but there's outside toys, you can arrange those. Egg hunt, you go on an egg hunt to get all of its food for the day, and you can only egg hunt once a day. And then you can clean up its poop, which it doesn't have any right now, so I can't show you, but if it happens between now and the end of this video, I'll show you. And it puts the poop in this huge tank, and you get to see that. And then when the tank fills up, I think you go to a next level of something. All right, then you scroll in one more time, and you push the button, and that's where you can feed it. Push the middle button. There's the food. There's pellets. When it gets past a certain age, it no longer likes the pellets. So if you run out of food, you feed it to it, it'll eat it, but it's not happy. And then right now I got flour syrup, honey syrup, cherries, corn. And then if you can go through 2 egg hunts. There's the volcano one and the spring one. The spring one gives you those things. The volcano one gives you a lot of meat, but you can't do both. Okay, then if you go back, you can do snacks. Well, and it has this jelly stick. That's the only snacks I've ever gotten. I'll feed it one. Yes, I want to feed it. Okay. So let's go back. And then you can play with it right here. There's all these different games. Arrow. I'll show you what it looks like. You gotta guess which way the arrow goes. And then there's flags. So the flags, if they go up, that's, you push the left button for the up left. Sorry, it's hard to do this backwards. So if it goes up right, it's the middle. Both of them, you push both. You push that one. If they go both down, you don't push anything. And then there's 3 UFOs. Oops. 3 UFOs. You gotta follow where he goes. I'm sorry if this is boring to some of you guys, but I enjoy it. So you gotta follow where it goes and guess the right one like 3 times. And then there is walking. I'm not sure how to do that one. I've never done it, sorry. Oh yeah, I've done this once. You gotta get him to the end or whatever without getting hit. There's these things that it'll run into. So that's pretty cool. And then on this one, well, I keep pushing the wrong button, guys, sorry. It's hard to see doing this backwards. Clean Tama. So now you can clean it. You have to push the button every time. You have to wait till it stops at each end. And then you don't do anything. He gets clean because he will get dirty. He'll get these dirty spots on him. He's shaking the water off. All right, and then you can scroll in one more time. It goes inside of his body. That shows that he's happy and healthy. All the hunger is filled and all the happy is filled, and he is 25 years old. I'm doing good. And he can die, by the way. So, this is really cool. I enjoy it. So this one is like clouds and stuff. There's one that's to do with land, and there's one to do with water. And I'll try to post what else there is. Okay. Sorry if you didn't enjoy that, but I wanted to show it off. Alrighty. Today I am unboxing 1992 Hollywood Hair Barbie Ken. Make magic stars appear in his hair. My cousin found me this one when she went to Tennessee. And I think it was like $10 or $15. It was cheap. And I never see him anywhere. So she got him for me and I paid her. This doll's magical color change feature will last longer if you take care of him. Don't expose doll to direct sunlight, other intense light, or heat. So I don't know if it will work correctly or not. Okay. Be a star maker. Make stars magically appear in their hair. Make one star appear, or several. Cover their hair with stars. Spray the girl's hair pink, or try streaks. It's up to you. They're so Hollywood. They're Hollywood stars from head to toe. For Ken, icy cold water and his magic wand make stars appear. Warm water make stars disappear. For Barbie, Skipper, and Teresa, hold the star cut out against their hair and spray mist stars. Oh, I apologize. The star cut out against their hair and spray mist. Stars appear like magic. I would love to have all of these. Growing up, I think my cousin had Barbie herself. I don't know if she had any of the rest. It says, be safe. Use warm water, never hot water. Doll cannot stand alone. I really like the Teresa one. She's very pretty. I like all of them. All right, let's open him up. I've been forgetting I want to save the back of boxes on some of these. I think I want to save this one for sure since it shows the different ones. Yeah, the limited warranty. And then here he is. All right, the shoes fell out. These are big. I'm not used to these big shoes. Let's start with those. Alrighty. His shoes are gold. Inside it looks like it says a size 5 China. Or small. Alrighty. Here's what the back looks like. I think a long time ago I got Hollywood Hair Barbie at an estate sale. And when I took my 6-month break, I got rid of her and several others, which I'm sad I did that, but her hair was a wreck. And I was just going through this stage, I guess, where I didn't want to take care of it. I regret it now because she's so expensive. You make mistakes and you learn. So, nothing I can do about it now, but hopefully I'll be able to get her again someday. Alright, let's see. Let's pull this one out. It has like a texture, like almost rubbery feel. And it has this little thing to use on his head. It's like a hammer with a washcloth coming out of it. I think today this will be my last video to make for in advance, unless I have time tonight, because my throat's getting really dried out and almost itchy feeling. So I don't want to lose my voice. Oh, he feels real nice. His clothes do anyway. So I don't know if the stars are supposed to already be on his head. So hopefully they don't mess nothing up. But I chose him as part of this, even though he's not a Christmas Barbie or whatever, because he has on a sweater. So here's what he looks like. Those pretty blue eyes. His lips are really pale looking. And he has on a sweater with a gold border that says Hollywood with black and gold and stars, and a white sweater. And then he has on these parachute pants or whatever they call them. I feel like that's what they're called, that are kind of silky feeling. They're kind of soft, not like soft like this, but anyway, with gold stars and black, and everything velcros in the back. Pants velcro as well. There's this long string on here I need to cut off. Anyway, he has blonde hair with these, looks like almost purplish stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's pretty cool. All right, let me cut these stars off. Cut these stars. Let me cut this thread off of here. All right, let's put his shoes on. I don't think they go on a certain foot. Oh, it feels like, oh, they aren't bad. I was worried they're going to be hard to get on there, but they're not too bad. So there he is with his gold shoes. He looks super cool. All right, let me get some water. I forgot what it said. Warm water. Okay. Okay. Got some hot water. It says warm water, but it's a little hot. Took forever to heat up. We have old pipes. Okay, let's dip it in here and see if it works. Oh, by the way, I forgot to say, his arms go up and down as well, and out, side to side. And his waist twists as well. His knees do not bend and pop. Okay, here we go. Dip it in here. I don't think it's working. Huh, it might be messed up. For icy cold water and his magic wand makes stars appear. Warm water makes stars disappear. It may be broken. Yeah, I don't think it works, unfortunately. I had a feeling since the stars were already here, and they probably shouldn't be, that it was already messed up. Yep, it doesn't work. It's okay though. Okay. So, that was Hollywood Hair Ken. So, make sure you guys... Oh, did I give a shout out? I don't think I did. So, today's shout out is... So please go check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please watch till the end. I'll show close-ups of him and of the Tamagotchi packaging and all that. So thank you guys so much. Bye.